Bonjour! Welcome back to LaNise Spicey. And today we are going to be making French toast. Yes, that's right. French toast. Delicious, hot, savory French toast. It's really easy and it's delicious. So what you're going to do to start off is you're going to add 2 eggs to a bowl. And that's what I like to do. I just add 2 eggs. And then the next thing I do is I just put a little bit of almond milk. You can use any type of milk that you have though. Then I put a little bit of vanilla extract, just a little bit, just a pinch of salt. And then I add cinnamon. I'm a cinnamon lover. And it's optional. You can add sugar, but as you know, I try to keep things, light on the sugar, a little bit healthier. So either way is good. Either way. And you're just gonna mix that all up. I'm using this tool, but you also can use a fork, anything just to get it nice and blended. Then you just take any bread that you have in the house. You're gonna put that into your bowl. You're gonna turn it over for both sides. And a pro tip, don't keep it in there more than 15 seconds so it doesn't get like soggy, because I hate when it gets soggy. And then, you're just gonna have heated up your pan, sprayed it with a little bit of oil, and just, you're gonna keep watching it. It might take a couple minutes on each side. And you might have to add more oil or more butter as you go along. You just kind of see what type of pan you have. And you're just gonna keep flipping it and watching it, and you'll see it is getting baked just like I do on the beach. And it's great. We're starting to get closer to the texture and color that we want our bread to be. We want it to be nice and toasted, but not burnt, but toasted. Yes, that's right, toasted. So you can see it's getting brown, and you can really see the flavors are starting to come together. The cinnamon is smelling so good in my kitchen at this point, and the vanilla. And so look, we reached the goal. It has that perfect brown texture, and that's what you're going to look for when you make this at home. That's the goal. So that side's looking good, but you know me, I just got to make sure everything's just right. And so voila, you have French toast. Now I'm using sugar-free syrup. You can use regular maple syrup. They put some honey on there instead. You can do a little bit of powdered sugar on there if you like. I like to keep it simple. I just put the syrup on there with a little bit of cinnamon, some fresh blueberries. They're great antioxidants. They help with stress. They're wonderful. And I like to really plate my food, because when food looks good, some reason it feels like it tastes even better. And there you go. And I don't let anything go to waste. So the eggs that we had, I did fry those too, and they actually taste great, especially if you put a little sugar in them. They have a sweetness to them. And there you go. You have a delicious breakfast. You can make a little coffee on the side. You have some delicious French toast. It's just wonderful. So that's how you make French toast the spicy way. And I just want to tell you guys, thank y'all so much for watching and being amazing. And until next time, spice out. Bye guys.